why are we, Mr. Khera, positioning these government mandis as the repository of all virtue? Who controls most of these government mandis? It's politicians from important political parties and influential traders and influential big farmers who control these mandis. It is in their vested interest for this current system to continue. If there is competition, a lot of the money that the states make and these netas make and the big farmers make will be jeopardized, Mr. Khera.
Rahul, the mandi system ensures that there is public procurement through the mandi and there is MSP. Now, अगर आप मंडी ही नहीं रखोगे तो ना तो आपके पास आवक का आंकड़ा होगा कि कितना आया. You won't have any idea. आप कंप्यूट ही नहीं करेंगे. Mandi is there to protect the grower. I quote Mr. Arun Jaitley, 2013, when he was fighting against the FDI in retail. He stood up in the parliament and gave the example of Europe and United States, that the governments of both these continents are spending $400 billion to ensure that the farmer stays alive. Walmart is not keeping the farmers alive in US and Europe. This was Arun Jaitley, not Pawan Khera, not Congress. He gave this example to the Congress. We were just trying to bring FDI in retail, if you remember. So, to say that mandis are a den of corruption and mandis are there only to exploit is an absolute misleading statement. अरे ट्रैफिक पुलिस वाला आपसे रिश्वत लेता है तो क्या ट्रैफिक लॉस खत्म कर देंगे आप, ट्रैफिक पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट को बंद कर देंगे? That's not the answer. Yes, you create competition, no problem, but then keep a level playing field.
Okay, so you're raising the question, Sudhanshu Trivedi, about the absence of a level playing field. Government mandis will have to pay fees which private mandis will not. You will not be able to, Sudhanshu Trivedi, respond to what Pawan Khera says, calculate how much stock there is. How will you keep track of what's happening in the private mandis if you don't do this? Something as basic as food inflation also cannot be calculated. Respond to the arguments raised by Pawan. Sudhanshu.
It's very strange. Is it not available? So many data in the market. In each and every activity, it's been so many marketing companies do so much of data. How you can say only the government data, the government agency can have the data? And moreover, it is in trade, commerce and professional activities, the government control always gives less productivity. It is worldwide tried, tested and failed that if there is only government control, the trade, commerce and professional activities never flourish. Worldwide tried, tested and failed. And one more thing I would like to say, भाई ये बताइए, एक जमाने में तो घड़ी भी सरकार बनाती थी HMT, स्कूटर भी सरकार बनाता था विजय सुपर, उस जमाने में ये टीवी सेट भी सरकार बनाती थी अपट्रॉन. Gradually the things get opened up. Why you not want to get the opportunities for farmers to open up? Today, the sons and daughters of the farmers are well educated because their rate of literacy is in 2011 was 27%. I think in 2021 will be less than 20%. So all the young comers are well educated, well acquainted with modern technology. Why should not have an opportunity? And one more thing I would like to remind. You remember in WTO Bali after 2014 when we went there and we have scuttled that summit. अरे उस जमाने में तो जो गवर्नमेंट ने प्रीवियस एग्रीमेंट किए थे आज MSP देने लायक नहीं रह जाते. When we were alleged that we have disrupted WTO in Bali, you remember? Go and check on the internet. So one thing just I want to say, it is 1991 movement for farmers, but unfortunately, and one more thing I would like to go to my dear friend Mr. Pawan Khera. One sentence. Congress will repeal the Agriculture Product Marketing Committee Act and make the trade in agriculture produce, including export and interstate, free from all restriction. It is point number 11 on page number 17 of the Congress Manifesto of 2014. Then the Essential Commodities Act 1955 belong to the age of controls, and Congress promises to replace the act by an enabling law that can be invoked only in the case of emergency. This is the point number 21 on page number 17 of the Congress Manifesto. And does Kerala has Essential Commodity Agriculture APMC Act? No. And in fruit and vegetable, Punjab has done away with it. This is the same thing. जो लिखा नहीं है, उसी को लेके एक confusion create करना. There is no substance, only politics.